What up, what up, what up? It's your man Philly Nate coming to you from my home today because I'm starting a new series. This new series in the Lift Zone is going to be on making money online. So, first up to bat is YouTube. Okay. Okay. A lot of you use YouTube for entertainment purposes. So you want to see whatever you want to see, maybe video games. You're looking at the latest celebrity news. And most importantly, or one of the most important things that you're going to LiftZone to kind of see about ride sharing. Well, LiftZone can also be a money making opportunity for you also. Me personally, I've made okay money off of YouTube. The money really comes off the ads. If you don't know, the worldwide internet, okay, it's about ads, it's about money, it's about advertisement. So this is why they give you the free content. They give you the free content so then advertisers can come because it's about attention. Where is your attention? Advertisers want to get in between what you want, what you're putting your attention to, and that thing. Advertisers want to get in the middle of that. So that's why on YouTube videos, commercials, movies, not commercials, like sitcoms or the TV that you look at, there's commercials. Why? Because advertisers want to get in the middle there and they want to get in front of you. So YouTube is a great way. Now, there's a lot of content on YouTube, and people are every day putting up, I forgot what the number is, but it's like an astronomical number as far as how many uploads are going up on YouTube every minute. So, what do you want to do to kind of break out that monotony of people just going on there and uploading, uploading, uploading? Number one is you want to be consistent. Whatever you pick to do, well, no, let me step back for a minute. Find a subject that you love, that you have a passion for. This is the first thing. Find something that you have a passion for. Once you find something that you have a passion for, then you want to start making videos about that. So it can't be about the money. To start off, it can't be about the money. Can you make some residual income from YouTube? Yes. But starting out, it can't be about the money. It has to be about the passion. And the reason is because the passion is going to make you do it over a consistent time. The money is not. So find something that you're passionate about, and then what you're going to do is you're going to study it and make videos about it. Once you make videos about it, then you'll put it on YouTube, and it's going to take a while. Okay, it's going to take a while for you to become exposed. There's a book that says that it takes 18 months. I forgot what the book's called is, but what the book is called, but it says it takes 18 months for somebody to be recognized. So you're going to have to do it, and you're going to have to do it for a while. Okay. So you do that, and then what's going to happen is at some point in time, you'll get recognized and you'll get followers. But again, you got to do it for the passion. All right. So that concludes our episode. What will happen is next time I come back to talking about something different as far as making money online. Okay. All right. This is your man, Philly Nate. I'm out.